Hi, I'm Renato Lawingan and this is my second video. In this video, I will show you how to repair a dented panel using metal finishing. So this is my tools, this is dolly, this is hammer, this is the bumping file, this is the body file, the sanding machine, and before I start my work, I also make sure my safety, and I already wearing my personal safety equipments like my boots, my gloves, my overall, my mask N95, my eye protector, and my air flag, my air protector. So before I start my work, I will remove the paint for this damaged area. And now the paint was removed. Now I use the dolly, and I will position the dolly at the back of this wood, like this one, and then I push it back. Yeah, and I start now to repair. And now I use the bumping file. I use the body file. Again, the body file. Now it's already finished, the dent, and we must clean it to prepare for the body filler. So you must clean all this part, this damaged area. Remove the pen. Okay, the repair now is finished, and I also make sure that this damaged area was slightly submerged so that there is a space for the body filler. So that's it. Thank you.